Thanks for tuning in to this week's Tips and Tricks. This week we're going to be talking about Valet mode in some of our Chevrolet vehicles. What Valet mode is going to give you the capability to do is to lock your screen to keep anybody out of specific destination places that you've been, as well as changing any of your settings on the vehicle. So, in this Impala, we've got a sliding screen feature here where I can actually place items behind my screen. A couple other vehicles in our lineup have this as well. But with this, if I want to set Valet mode, if I go into my settings menu on the vehicle and I go into Valet mode, what I'll do is I'll select a 4-digit PIN number. This can be any 4 digits that you'd like it to be, and it changes each time. So I'm simply going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, press enter. It'll have me re-enter in my code where I can then press lock. And what that'll do is that'll completely shut down my radio screen, so I cannot open this interface, I cannot play any music, and nobody can access any of the personal information that you have on your vehicle. Thanks for tuning in for this week's Tips and Tricks here at Karl Chevrolet. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot us a message or stop on out and see us, exit 90 at The Rock.